This is a big top shirt. I'm making different. Yep, a body. A body's right here. A leg for it. Reading. Versus make a leg.
What'd you make?
I'm not done.
Okay.
There's some legs. Now put my best. It's a red one. Oops. See, sorry guys. Doesn't look like that.
What'd you do?
Like that.
What is that?
I didn't know. That like me. That like me. Like I saw that thing. I'm gonna do this because I do have black things.
Okay.
A black Playdoh.
Okay.
This is a boy. That is a pirate. Arr!
Arr.
Arr! Now this is a boy. Wait. That's a boy? It's not like a pirate.
It's not?
No. This looks like a boy. That's a boy.
Oh, is it? Cool.
Okay, now. First is a body. That's not a body. That is my head. I think I eyes.
You making the eyes now? Red eyes.
I trying eyeballs. I'm gonna make green mouth because I want it. Because I want a green mouth. What am I doing?
So you made the face?
I did.
Okay.
I'm gonna make. I'm gonna make a happy. I'm gonna make a sad face.
Why? You're happy.
It's really sad. Just kidding. I'm making a smile face. That look happy.
Big
That's
smile
happy.
face. Cheese?
Cheese.
It's a big smile. Is that your
I do
face?
this.
You did what?
I do this.
Cool. Big smile. Are you done with your face?
No. I'm gonna make you and Miguel, Sophia, and Buffy, and
Okay.
David,
And David?
and Jose.
And Jose? And who was it? What about Nana?
Yeah. None. I can't make Nana. I didn't know. I can't make Nana. How to make Nana?
How do you make yourself like that? So we're going to be back in a few minutes when you're finished making all your brothers and sisters. Okay? Okay. Bye.
No, we're not saying bye. Not time. Got to make one down.
I said we're going to come back whenever you're almost done so that we're not bored.
Gotta make people everywhere on here.
Okay. Get to it, buddy. You got a long night.
No, no. Squeeze.
He wants to make his all brothers and sisters, which he has just Sophia, Miguel, and his uncles also.
Dog.
And your dog, imaginary dog. Go ahead, because you didn't get one in real life.
I have a big body.
You do. You look short to me.
Then my body. Hello, my body. My body. Hello.
Hello.
That looks ugly.
It looks cool.